You have an idea for a video, but you don't have the time, skills, or resources to shoot and edit it. What if I told you that you could generate a stunning, high-quality video just by describing it? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of Minimax AI, the revolutionary tool that's changing video creation forever. If you're a marketer, a content creator, or just someone with a story to tell, Minimax AI empowers you to bring your vision to life effortlessly. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this game-changing technology. Minimax AI is an advanced video generation platform developed by the innovative minds at Hailuo AI. It's designed to convert your written descriptions or images into captivating videos. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone with a creative spark, Minimax AI makes video creation a breeze. No more complex software or steep learning curves. Just pure creativity at your fingertips. Here's how simple it is to bring your ideas to life with Minimax AI. Input your text or image. Start by entering a descriptive text prompt or uploading an image that captures your concept. Select your style. Choose from a variety of video styles, be it cinematic, animated, or something else that suits your vision. Generate the video, hit the Generate button, and watch as Minimax AI processes your input. In just about 40 to 50 seconds, you'll have a high-resolution video ready to go. It's that easy. Plus, the platform supports multiple languages, so you can create content that resonates with audiences worldwide. Minimax AI stands out for several reasons. High-quality output. Produces videos at 1280 by 720 resolution with smooth 25 frames per second, ensuring your content looks professional. Speed and efficiency. Generates videos in under a minute, saving you time and effort. User-friendly interface. Designed for everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Cost-effective, currently free to use, making it accessible for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're crafting marketing materials, educational content, or social media posts, Minimax AI streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your message. Let's explore some ways you can use Minimax AI. Marketing, create engaging promotional videos that capture your brand's essence. Education, develop informative tutorials and explainer videos that simplify complex topics. Social media, produce eye-catching content that stands out in crowded feeds. Entertainment, bring your stories and creative ideas to life with dynamic visuals. The possibilities are endless. With Minimax AI, if you can imagine it, you can create it. Ready to dive in? Here's how to start. Visit the website, go to Minimax AI's official site. Sign up, register using your mobile number. It's quick and straightforward. Start creating, use the intuitive interface to input your ideas and generate your first video. And the best part? You can create as many videos as you want without any cost. What's next for Minimax AI? With advancements in AI, we're heading towards an era where anyone can create professional-grade videos in seconds. Future updates could include higher resolutions, more video styles, and even interactive AI-generated storytelling. This is just the beginning, and the possibilities are limitless. That's a wrap on our deep dive into Minimax AI. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future insights. And hey, I want to hear from you. What kind of videos would you create with Minimax AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.